Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Jaguar F-Type in Rhodium Silver Metallic on red leather seats with black interior. So we'll just start at the back here. I'll let you have a look. So very cool car. Here's the trunk area here. So it's got some space here to store some items. It also comes with the original guide here for the car. Have a look in the seams, nice and tidy car, as you can see. And we'll go ahead, we'll close this up. Here it is from the back. So we've got the quad tip exhaust. It's got active exhaust, so you can make it quieter or louder. We've got the spoiler here, so this portion I'll show you afterwards does raise or lower electronically by the press of a button. And we'll just slide around this side here. Here's your rear wheel. Looks great. It's got the nice carbon fiber inlays, as you can see on the wheel. We've got red painted calipers and nice Michelin tires on there. So over the passenger side, we've got the nice red leather insert. Looks great against the black. We have the Meridian sound system. We've got our power window down here. We've got our power lock switch up there. We've got multi-directional seat for the passenger. So power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, power side bolster, and power lumbar adjustment. And we have 3 memory users here as well. So down here, we've got a nice carbon fiber inlay there as well. We've got the Jaguar kick plate, which is illuminated, as you can see. Just an awesome looking car here. So here's your passenger seat, and I'll just scan up it so you can see the condition. It's red with the jet leather or jet black stitching against the seat. Very sport looking seat. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's check out the glove box on this one. So we have the wheel lock key, and we have the books here that come with the car as well. So that's great. Close that up. I'll let you have a look at the dash while I'm over on this side. Looks great. So let's just hop out. We'll close this side up. And take note on the handle. So the handle is popped out right now because the car is unlocked. Once the car is locked, that handle will go back flush with the car as well. And let's just scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks great. And here's your front wheel. So again, looks great. Nice carbon fiber inlay on the wheels, red painted calipers, and Michelin tires. So here we are under the hood. We've got the V8 5-liter engine, which is supercharged. It is 495 horsepower, and it's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. As you can see, there is a wire going to the strut tower. It does have adjustable MagRide suspension, so that's great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this one up. There it is, and we'll have a look from the front. Here it is from the front. Good looking car. It's got the Jaguar symbol, looks great. There it is. And we've got the S. So have a look at the headlight. We've got LED daytime running lights and turn signals, and we've got the nice bright HID projector headlights there. You've got the black vent inserts up top, and there's some carbon fiber on there as well, or carbon fiber look. In terms of issues, let's see. Pretty clean car. It's got 3M on the front. So there is a mark here, but that's in the 3M itself, not through to the paint. So we'll do the best we can to work with that to clean that up for you. Inside of that, it looks okay. It looks pretty good. And again, the 3M goes all the way down. Just want to see if it's on the hood here. I think it may be on the hood. Best place to check would be up here. Yes. So as you can see, there's a seam right there. So it's on the hood. It's even on the pillars here going up, and it's on the mirrors. So well protected and well loved car. Here's your front wheel. Again, nice carbon fiber inlay. We've got the big brakes with the red calipers and the nice Michelin tires on there. Here's your Jaguar inlay, and it's coated with carbon fiber look material there as well. So here's the rear wheel. Again, Michelin tires, red calipers, nice carbon fiber inlay on the wheels. And here we are at the driver's side. So 3-user memory seat for the driver. Again, side bolster and lumbar adjustments, power fore, aft, up, down, and power recline. And then we've got our power locks. We've got our power windows and power mirrors. We've got that Meridian sound system. And again, the red leather with the jet black baseball stitching that runs along. Here's your driver's kick plate, nice brushed aluminum finish, Jaguar that's illuminated. And then again, the nice carbon fiber look, upper and lower. There's a little bit of minor scuffing on that. We'll do our best to polish it the best we can for you. And here's your driver's seat. Looks pretty good, as you can see. It's in great shape. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. So to turn it on, we've got a press button here. There's a little bit of rubbing on the button. So we just press that. Wow, what a growl to this machine. Awesome, awesome car. In terms of kilometers, the best way I found to get them is I'll just shut it off for a moment. We've got 28,429 kilometers, so nice and low. And when I restart it, I just want to show you when the climate control system turns on, this piece here will open. So I'll just show you that when I restart. Love the exhaust. All right, turn the fan up. And auto. Let's see. Just got to figure out how to get that to go. Let's see, that's your heated seat. And we'll hit auto again, and there it is. So the vent opens like so. So back over here, we've got our menu button. So when we hit menu, there's all your features, driving features, trip computer, instrument display, vehicle setup. So that's all there. We've got driver dip mirror. So when you put it in reverse, the mirror dips. Two-stage unlocking. So driver's door, then passenger door, audible lock warning, and window global open. So lots of different settings here in the cluster. We've got Bluetooth controls here. On this side, we've got a heated steering wheel. We've got cruise control settings here. We've got paddle shifter, so that's your plus, and here's your minus on this side. Down below, we've got fog light control. We've got trunk and our dimmer switch. In here, there's your tilt telescopic steering wheel, which is powered. Up top, you've got your trip monitor, and you've got your automatic headlights. And we've got our wiper control on this side. So over at the radio, we've got audio, which we can hit. We've got AM, FM, XM. I believe, let me just double check. AM. So maybe no XM on this. So AM, FM, and we'll go back. We've got nav, so there's your full factory navigation. And we'll go back. You've got phone control. If I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. We'll put it back in park. Hit home, and yeah, again, there's nav. So that's great. And then we've got mode, phone, audio, and nav on this side. Here's your climate control, and again, temperature for the driver. If I press this, there's your heated seat. Same thing over here. There's your seat. And there's your temperature control. Push button start, 12-volt socket. Here's your shifter. And then we've got our dynamic driving mode selector. So as we hit that, up top you can see the gauge color changes. Dynamic mode off, dynamic mode on. If I hit it forward, there's rain, ice, snow mode. And then here's your active exhaust. So when I press that, it opens the exhaust ports. If I press it again, I think. So that's quiet, the other one's loud. And then we've got the spoiler here. So we'll press that, and the spoiler's up so I can show you. And then we also have the convertible top control, which I'll show you in a moment. Here's your cup holders and your center console, line in, USB and 12-volt socket. And looks like a CD player down there as well. We also have a pocket here, which opens up for storage. So there it is there. And let's go ahead and put the top up. There it is. Perfect, top's done. And we'll pull the windows, we'll put the windows up. right, and then also take note, we have blind spot monitor in the mirror, and we have the auto dimming mirrors on both sides. Okay, and we have auto dimming rear view mirror, and it's got garage door controls below. So let's just hop out with it running and have a look and a listen. Great sounding machine. So the crackle is actually a stock item. What happens is it dumps raw fuel in the exhaust to give it that crackle. Ingenious. Great car. So have a look from the front. There it is with the projector lights, and we'll just scan down this side of the car. Looks great. And let's have a look at the top. Top's in good condition, as you can see. Nice dark tinted windows on this. There's the spoiler that's up right now. There's the exhaust. Great note to it. Sounds awesome. LED tail lights there. And there you have it, folks. 2015 Jaguar F-Type here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.